Hello, my dear students. So today I am going to do a book review of this particular book. This book is by Gurukul for class 12, term 1. This is CBSE chapter wise objective MCQ, term 1 for science stream, PCM stream, physics, chemistry, math stream. So in this, English, physical education, physics, chemistry and mathematics subjects are there according to CBSE class 12, term 1 syllabus. This is strictly based on the latest circular. Okay, so here there are multiple choice questions, case study based questions and assertion and reasoning based questions. Around 2000 plus questions from NCERT and NCERT exemplar questions. So let's see inside how it is, how many questions are there, what all topics are covered. Let's see. So if you see the contents page in English core, they have covered discursive passage, literary passage, case-based passages, notice writing, advertisements, letter writing, article writing, then flamingo prose. With all of these are with proper answers, detailed explanation of answer. They have not just said A, B, C or D, but they have explained the answers. I'll tell you when we read through. Then in physical education also they have planning in sports, sports and nutrition, children and women in sports, test and measurement in sports, then biomechanics and sports. In physics, they have covered strictly these 7 chapters according to term 1. And chemistry also, solid state solutions, P block elements, haloalkane, haloarenes, alcohols, phenols and ethers, and biomolecules. Now in mathematics, they have these particular chapters: relation and function, inverse trigonometric functions, matrices, determinants, continuity and differentiability, applications of derivative and linear programming. So let's have a look. So it starts with English core. The syllabus is given properly according to the reduced one, and then the prescribed books are given. So this is the discursive passage. So first they have given the passage and then questions are given like this. Can you see? So all 4 options are given and accordingly many questions are given. Okay, let's have a look. So this is the question paper. Let's see. And these are the answers. Okay, similarly literally passages are there, excerpts are there, and then the questions are there. We'll go ahead quickly. So this is full English, then this is flamingo prose. Flamingo prose has started. So if you see the chapter The Lost Spring, the questions are given and then the answers are there. Okay, let's go ahead and see chemistry. For example, solid state. So these are the questions. A lot of questions are there. Okay, a lot of questions are there. So in this chapter 60 questions were there. Okay, solid state is a small chapter, 60 questions are there. Let's see. The answers are also explained in detail. Can you see? They are not just tick marked. They have explained the answers in detail. The explanation is there in detail. Can you see here? The explanation is in detail. So I like this part of the book the most because they have explained each and every MCQs properly. So this is how it looks. Let's talk about mathematics. So I've opened up the chapter matrices. Here also lots of questions are there. The questions are from NCERT exemplar, from NCERT as well. So how they have converted these questions into MCQs is quite commendable. Then the detailed solution is given. For mathematics, they have solved every step. They have not skipped any steps and detailed explanation is given. So this is a very good part. So we have seen chemistry, we have seen mathematics. Let's see some other subjects as well. Okay, physics. Let's see magnetism and matter, a very small chapter for physics. Let's see how many MCQs are there for this chapter. A lot of there. Okay. So around 50 questions are there and these are the detailed answers. The explanation is given by using diagrams and all. Very good explanation is also given of the answers. Let's see electromagnetic induction, for example. See here, a lot of questions are there. So 65 questions are there for this chapter as well. And the answers are also explained very clearly with all the units and everything. So we have seen English, we have seen maths, we have seen chemistry. Let's see physical education as well. It's on page 89. Okay, let us see how they have given. So if we see planning in sports chapter, so along with the normal text questions, assertion and reason type of questions are also there. Very good questions are there. The picture based questions are there. Everything is there. Flowchart based questions is there. Okay. So these are the answers. So I overall found the book very useful, especially for English, chemistry and physics. Okay. So that was my review on it. I will share the link if you want, the purchase link for this book in the comment section and also in the description box. Thank you, my dear children.